Right Track Systems offers the exclusive, fully rebuildable rubber track system designed for off-road construction and articulated trucks. These adaptable rubber tracks can be tailored to accommodate trucks of any size, whether they have single tires, dual tires, or even triple axle configurations. This customized grouser design permits various setups, including the option for ice cleats. It serves as a vastly superior alternative to tire chains, offering superior traction and easier installation. Using these rubber tracks not only safeguards the tire treads, but also shields most of the sidewalls due to their incorporated steel guides. The installation process typically takes about an hour, and should the need arise, they can be swiftly removed, allowing the unit to seamlessly return to road travel. Rotary dump trucks find their primary application in the railway maintenance sector. These specialized vehicles are positioned on the railroad tracks and can be transported to the precise location where maintenance is needed, even in areas lacking road access. This system, known as the Robson drive, is designed to transfer power from a drive axle to a trailing axle in order to improve overall traction. It enables a 6x2 vehicle to exhibit the same characteristics as a 6x4, thereby enhancing its performance on roads with adverse conditions.
The Tire Spider is a unique, compact mobile system that revolutionizes the handling of truck wheels without the need to remove them from the axle, regardless of the prevailing conditions. This innovative system consists of a safety cage for inflating the wheel, along with a hammer driven by a 2-arm hydraulic pump. It also includes a portable tire changer that operates using compressed air. The device works effectively at a pressure range of 90 to 120 psi and is designed to facilitate tire mounting and removal on both sides of the vehicle or truck. This versatility allows for the rapid replacement of a damaged tire, all within a matter of minutes, without compromising the safety and well-being of the truck driver on the road. The Tire Spider is compatible with wheels ranging from 22.5 inches to 24.5 inches in diameter, making it an ideal solution for equipping a mobile tire changing service. Referred to as air suspension wheels, these are an innovative wheel design that eliminates the use of environmentally harmful rubber tires. These wheels feature an inner steel hub and an outer steel drum connected by 12 air cylinders filled with nitrogen, in addition to 6 dampers filled with oil. Each wheel incorporates a solid polyurethane or steel tread, engineered for durability, with a lifespan extending 3 to 5 times longer than conventional off-the-road OTR tires. Moreover, these wheels are fully recyclable. Another notable advantage is their inherent suspension system, which enhances the wheel's ability to traverse uneven terrain without compromising stability. In an effort to minimize the expense of additional equipment required for relocating a damaged truck, the company has introduced a transportation system known as Tow-Go, which is compatible with any truck. This system functions by connecting to the fifth wheel of the rescue truck and operates entirely mechanically, eliminating the need for hydraulic lines. Tow-Go involves elevating the truck to be towed into a suitable position for hitching. Once securely attached to the fifth wheel, it essentially functions like a trailer, simplifying the towing process. Rand & Company has developed a semi-trailer featuring an auxiliary traction system known as Hybrid R. This system incorporates a WEG electric motor installed on one of the axles. The Hybrid R system comprises several electromechanical components, including an electronic control unit, a battery pack, and an inverter. It has the capability to generate energy during braking and downhill descents, while also providing assistance when the truck encounters slopes. As a result, this system can achieve fuel savings of up to 25%.